The architecture of silence. How uniformity breeds equilibrium. In the grand design of the physical world, there is a hidden law that ensures stability. Where there is perfect constancy at the edges, there is total balance within. This principle reveals that complexity, no matter how swirling or intricate, collapses into a peaceful zero when governed by a uniform boundary. The story of the vanishing effort. Imagine a hiker traversing a rugged mountain range. If the hiker starts at a specific elevation, wanders through steep valleys and over jagged peaks, but ultimately returns to a point at that exact same starting elevation, the net change in their gravitational potential energy is nothing. They may be exhausted, but in the eyes of physics, the work done by gravity over that entire journey is zero. The effort spent climbing up was perfectly repaid by the ease of moving down. This derivation sheet is the mathematical signature of the physical reality. It tells a story in 3 acts. The transformation. It shows that what happens across the entire face of a surface is actually dictated by the behavior at its rim. By shifting our focus from the skin of an object to its border, we simplify the chaos. The power of the constant. If the influence at the border is uniform, constant, it acts like a silent anchor. It allows us to ignore the specific texture of the field because the symmetry at the edge forces everything inside to cancel out. The final equilibrium. Because the path is closed and the starting conditions are met, the total sum of the interactions vanishes. This is why a planet stays in its orbit and why energy is preserved rather than lost into the void. Validation through experience. To move this from a theory to a felt truth, the sequence diagram describes a journey of verification. 1. Visual senses. We watch as arrows representing force align in such perfect symmetry that they effectively silence one another. 2. Physical motion. We simulate a particle moving through a figure-8 loop, witnessing firsthand how the gains and losses of energy balance the books to exactly zero. 3. Numerical truth. We compare a messy environment, where the border is changing, against a stable one. The messy one leaves a footprint. The stable one leaves nothing but a clean, elegant zero. Ultimately, this sheet teaches us that constancy at the boundary is the guardian of conservation. It is the reason we can trust that in a closed, conservative system, no energy is ever truly created from nothing or lost to nowhere.